Hello kids, today we are going to talk about farm animals. Lucy cousin. Can you tell what is this animal? This is sheep. White sheep. Soft and a woolly sheep. A horse, cow and other farm animal all in this board book with a touch and feel cover. This is duck, white duck. This is Ken. Wow. Oh, pig. What sound a pig make? Pig make oink oink sound. Wow, black and white dog. Dog bow bow sound. Goat, brown goat. Goose, white goose. Wow, cow, black and white cow. Cow make moo moo sound. This is horse. This is donkey. Yeah. Hello children, can we sing a song, Old McDonald's? Yes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some cow. Moo moo here and moo moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some dog. E-I-E-I-O, with woof woof here and woof woof there, here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep. With Baba here and Baba there, here bub, there bub, everywhere bub bub. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some pig. Oink oink here and oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some horse. Neigh neigh here and neigh neigh there, here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O,